Hey yogis, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do Basana or Firefly pose. All right, so you're going to bring your feet about as wide as your mat and then start to come down into a yogi squat. You can feel free to do a full malasana or yogi squat in order to open up and just get ready for this pose. You want to do other prep poses too, but this is a really good one. Then hands down, lift your booty, start to grab the calf on either leg and just walk the shoulders as far back as you can, getting the knees up over the shoulders. Then hands down, flatten the hands, start to sit back just a little bit, not too much, you don't want to fall. Then lift one leg, then maybe the other leg, then start to extend them both out. Point the feet, whoop, point the feet, round the back and straighten the arms. Basana, Firefly pose. All right, you got this. Tag me in your video or pics so that we can stay connected, and I'd love to support you. All right, bye.